Hello everyone. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Go to the subscribe here, push and click your bell button. And if you want to get new video, so go to click all. So now you have subscribed. Hello, this is the barrel of our injection molding machine. That this barrel for your EVA, TPU and TPR. So when it will be open and it will work down and hole will made in a straight position, so that time injection will be. So what is the difference between both this injection and extruder type injection? This is also one same barrel that here injection, you can see that injection is the bottom line from here. How it will be possible, that we will tell here. So first we have to check that what is this system. So we have to go another video. You can see that here. This is the nozzle of our vertical machine. How it will work? When it will be pushed downside, when it will be pushed, so injection will come here. Material will come through this. This is the working of our nozzle. We used this nozzle in a vertical machine. So first in 1990, so in an injection molding machine, this type of injection nozzle we had used that time. Now that the technology has been changed, so now how it will work? First we have to know about this working of this nozzle. This is the inner side of that section view of this nozzle. You can see here that nozzle, that this is the state. This line is totally straight here, and the material will come through this point. This is the hole. So when it will be open this time, so material will from this side, material will come at between the screw, and here material will enter through this hole and come here, and it will be go through this. If possible, that this is the closed position. When so material will come here, and your screw barrel will be go back side. When you have to push your nozzle at your mold, so that time it will be go inside. So now when it will be go inside, that time you can see that your this portion is open and material is here. So when you will push your screw barrel, so that time material will go through here and injection will be in your mold. Same technique here, that material is coming that through this hole. When it will be come and down, how it will work? This is the working of this. When you can see that here that this is the this hole is directly open through this. When it will be moved upside upward, so that time it will be closed. So material will not come here. You can see. So in closed position, material barrel position according to our program, it will be go back side. Material will enter. Last time we told you that material will come to this side, and material will fill here, and it will be go back side. When what we have set it the value here, so material will come here, and when we want to inject this material in our mold, so that time our programming will come. This will be come down, and that the hole is clear now, and it will push directly here. So now injection will come to here. So this is the front injected barrel, and mostly we use this barrel in EVA and TPR and TPU as well. For our upside or downside injection, this pin will be moved up, down, and same side, same type of injection. But we have to put here one cylinder, and how we will operate through mechanism, that is depend on the our machine system. So it has been that working here. So that this hole is throughout, and material same system, that it will be take the material backside, and when it will come downside, forward side. So when material will material will erupt through this injection port and come to here. How it will become? Actually, this is the pin of this. You can see that here that the hole is not clear throughout. Hole is here and material will come to this side. You can see here that material will come to this side to the here. So this is the pin there. So when material will come to this and material will inject to our mold. This is the top side of our mold. If we want to side injection, so that time we have to use that old model. In side injection, you have to use this. So both system are used in EVA, TPU, and TPR. When you got some problem that this is not moving and metal is not coming well, and some iron piece or some metal are in your head and metal is not coming very well. So I have to open only 4 bolt 1, 2, 3 and remove this part, and you can check that material or something is inside. So I have to clear only, and your injection will be formed again. So if you like this video, please share and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.